that basically means that there has been a lot of selling pressure on that particular company, and it's probably due for investors to come in and push the stock higher. I mean, I'm not saying that's going to happen this week, but I think that over the next couple months for sure, there's going to be some money managers and some investment managers that go in there and they start to buy some of these. There's a metric you can go look up called relative RSI, relative stock index. I think I'm flubbing that. Sorry, relative strength index. Relative strength index. So you can go to a website called stockrsi.com, and there's other ones you can use, but that's a good example. And you can type in symbols. So you can type in, whatever it is, AMZN for Amazon. You can look and see if the relative strength index is under 30. That basically means that there has been a lot of selling pressure on that particular company, and it's probably due for investors to come in and push the stock higher. But if you go look at the stock RSIs of a lot of companies that we've talked about or you've looked at, that we've been discussing, man, a lot of those are seriously low. I think Amazon is probably the lowest I've seen it, or the lowest it's been in over a year. So go do some homework. Go look at some of the names that are on your watch list, names that you've been, maybe wanting to invest in. See where they are, see if they've come down. And, again, you don't have to be a hero. You don't have to put a ton of money into these positions, but maybe you start a position. Maybe you add to a position. Maybe you increase the number of shares that you have in those positions. And that is basically what managing your money, managing your investments is all about. So